Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system, the Audi MMI system in this 2018 Audi. What we need to do is go to music, we'll go to music, click on a record, we'll click play, turn that up, sorry, put that on, I'll turn it down so it doesn't play through here. Now whatever music plays on here, if you see at the bottom there, it's got Audi MMI 8161. If I just click on that, your choices are iPhone, so if I click that, the music will play out the speaker on the iPhone, but there's a tick next to Audi MMI. So whatever music, soundtrack is playing on here, whether it be Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, or Apple Music as it's called now, or Spotify, whatever music is playing on here will come out through the speakers. What you have to do now is go over to the system. There is media, so we click this one back. At the moment it's on external audio player, so that's kind of auxiliary. There's an auxiliary socket in here or two USBs. It would play through there. Anything that's plugged in there, that would play through there. If I click to the right, sorry, my other right, if I click to the left, you'll see the external audio player is selected. So if I turn this down, you'll see, and if there's anything else there, they will all be an option. But Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click on that. There you go, I'll just turn that down. But it's showing the track that's playing on here. Remember the name. And on here, it's actually turned it up again, which is a bit of a nuisance. But so that's it. Remember the name. If I turn it up, that's it. That's how you play audio through the system.